In this video, we will look into the steps on how to backup and restore selectors and policy configurations from the cell. For example, selectors and policies have been created in a test environment, and they also need to be created in a production environment. Or if you just want to backup and restore the selectors and policies at a later time. You can use mquery command, which retrieves objects from a cell to export the data from one cell. Use the command mquery-n, specify the cell name, -q, -d to select data objects instead of event objects, -a to specify selector class, -x to specify the slots which you want to exclude in the output, -f to specify the format which is in Baroque, and the output file. And then you can run the same mquery command to export the policy, just replacing the class to policy and the output file. Once you have the exported data, you can use mposter command to import this data to another cell with this format: mposter-n, the cell name, -d, and the exported file. If you want all data instances to be exported, then you would export using this mquery command. And then use mposter command to import the data to the other cell. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.